we'll guide you through how to use VS Code effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Once it's open, you'll see the welcome page which offers you quick links to recent projects or the option to open a new folder. Let's start by opening a folder. Click on the Open Folder button and navigate to the folder you want to work on. After selecting your folder, you'll see the Explorer view on the left sidebar, showing all the files in your folder. To open a file, simply click on it, and it will appear in the main editor window. Now, let's explore some essential features. You can install extensions to enhance your coding experience. Click on the extensions icon on the sidebar, which looks like 4 squares, and search for extensions like Python, Prettier, or Live Server. Click Install to add any extension. To customize your editor, go to the File menu, select Preferences, and then Settings. Here, you can adjust font size, themes, and shortcuts to your liking. If you want to run your code, ensure you have the appropriate interpreter or compiler installed. For example, if you're working with Python, make sure Python is installed on your system. Use the integrated terminal by clicking Terminal in the top menu and selecting New Terminal. You can run your code here by typing commands, like python-filemain.py. VS Code also supports debugging. Set breakpoints by clicking on the left margin next to the line numbers. Then start debugging by clicking the green play icon in the left sidebar under the Run and Debug section. This will help you step through your code and inspect variables. Don't forget to take advantage of the command palette, accessed by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P on your keyboard, to quickly run commands or change settings. Remember, you can always find more help and explore advanced features by visiting the official VS Code documentation or forums. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.